How to configure an FTP backup in Plesk. Log in to your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click Backup and Restore. Click this Remote Storage Settings option button. Enter your FTP domain name or IP address in the given input box. Enter the path where your backup file will be stored. You can also enter directory names such as /backup. Enter your FTP username and password. We recommend you enable and use passive mode. Use FTPS option is for security purposes, and we leave it disabled. Now click to apply the settings. Settings have been applied successfully. Now click the OK button. We have successfully configured an FTP backup in our Plesk. Now we can take a backup to our remote backup server. To know how to take a backup, watch our other tutorial on how to generate and download a full backup of your Plesk account. Thank you for watching.